Hello there and welcome, I'm Albert, and this is a quick how-to on what aphids don't like so you can naturally repel them and plant flowers that attract their predators. Keep it relaxed, keep it simple, and let's keep your kale and broccoli looking lush. Aphids are tiny soft-bodied sapsuckers that cluster on the undersides of leaves. One day everything's pristine, the next, bam, little green blobs everywhere. They come in green, black, yellow, even pink. Feeding causes curling, yellowing, and stunted growth. Their sticky honeydew leads to black, sooty mold. Not pretty. Good news though. Aphids are low on the food chain. Ladybirds, lacewings, and hoverflies absolutely munch them. No harsh chemicals needed. We'll nudge the balance back in your favor, naturally. Aphids reproduce fast, but they're fragile and easily knocked off. Think nature first. Create a resilient, balanced patch, and the problems shrink. Aphids navigate by smell, hunting your brassicas by scent. Interplant alliums, garlic, chives, spring onions, to mask kale and broccoli with a pungent barrier. They struggle to locate dinner when all they smell is oniony goodness. You only need small clumps dotted through the bed. Bonus: fresh herbs for the kitchen. Win-win. Add aromatics, mint in pots, please pots, or it'll take over. Pop rosemary at row ends and thyme as a low border. They deter aphids, attract pollinators, and season your tea and roasties. Variety is key, mix scents for olfactory camouflage. Plant chives here, a mint pot there, and toss in marigolds for fragrance and color. A gentle, beautiful, and effective defense, no spray bottle required. Next, invite the cavalry, ladybirds, lacewings, and hoverflies. They do pest control for free when you feed the adults with nectar. Sweet alyssum is ace. Tiny, shallow blooms the predators adore. Let dill, fennel, and coriander flower. Those umbels are landing pads. Plant a border or interplant among your brassicas. Close proximity matters. Add cosmos, calendula, and borage for continuous nectar spring to autumn. Be patient. Populations build over time. Skip chemical sprays that knock out your allies. Spot tiny alligators and slug-like larvae. Brilliant. That's your patrol on duty. Simple physical tactics are wildly effective. See a colony starting? Use a firm jet, target undersides, and blast them off. On the ground, they're vulnerable and rarely climb back. Do it in the morning on a sunny day so leaves dry before evening. It's free, chemical-free, and works right away. Repeat as needed. If pressure's high, mix a mild liquid soap, 1 teaspoon per liter of water. Use true soap, not detergent, and give it a shake. Patch test a single leaf and wait 24 hours. Spray thoroughly, tops, undersides, and tender new growth. Contact is key. Apply at dusk or on an overcast day to avoid sun scorch. Target the pests without wrecking the garden's balance. Try trap crops. Nasturtiums are irresistible to aphids. They draw pests away from your kale and broccoli. Snip and dunk the worst, or leave some. Predators will swarm the buffet. Build soil with compost, not high nitrogen blasts. Strong plants shrug off minor attacks. Early on, use fine mesh over hoops to block flying aphids. Lift covers when you need pollinators. Easy. Quick list: mild liquid soap, trigger spray bottle, hose with adjustable nozzle, garlic bulbs, chive plants, nasturtium seeds, sweet alyssum, dill, cosmos, and fine mesh row cover. Most important tool, you. Check plants every couple of days, celebrate small wins, spot a ladybird, hoverflies buzzing. Your plan's working. You're not just growing food, you're stewarding a tiny ecosystem. Nicely done. Tells us what you think in the comments and like and subscribe. Happy gardening.